Welcome back to this channel. In continues to previous video related to learning English through novel called The Magic of the Lost Temple. In this video also we'll be learning English through this novel and we'll be reading further pages of this novel. So now the chapter is Learning to Cycle. Shall we start, Avisha? Harika?
Yeah.
By the time all of them reached the playground, it was almost 4 p.m. Meda brought a cycle for Nooni and then went and sat on some steps a short distance away and immersed herself in knitting. Immersed मतलब
ऐसे आना immersed.
या मतलब busy रखना है इसे immersed पूरा.
Immersed पता है तो आप immersed.
That was E-M-E-R. This is immerse. The difference you see. That was immerse. E-E-E-M. This is a immerse. This is I. Okay. Dip or submerge in a liquid. Or we can say अपने आप को busy रखना है इसे. Involve oneself deeply in a particular activity. Okay.
Okay, here. Okay. Next, knitting.
Knitting जो कपड़ों को सिलते हैं ना,
हाँ.
उनको the craft or action of knitting. Okay. ऐसे सिलते हैं और या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल जो स्वेटर वगैरह बनाते हैं ना, सिलने को तो स्टिचिंग बोलते हैं और निटिंग मतलब जो स्वेटर वगैरह बनाते हैं ना, ऐसे स्वेटर बनाने उसको बोलते हैं द क्राफ्ट और एक्शन ऑफ निटिंग. मटेरियल विच इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ बीइंग निटेड. आई पुट डाउन माय निटिंग. ओके ओके और नॉट ओके.
Okay.
Immersed herself in knitting. What are you doing? Asked Duni, walking over to Meda. Now you will understand what the knitting. I am knitting a small hanging purse.
Hanging mean?
एक पर्स बना रही थी वो, है ठीक है? है?
Purse, Harika.
पर्स होता है ना आपके,
हाँ.
बाहर ले जाते हो, उसमें छोटा बड़ा सामान रखते हो.
हाँ, अब Harika ऐसे questions मत करो.
I saw the design in a book. It's going to come out very nicely. Where did you learn to knit? See, knit is there, na? Now you want to know?
No, I knew. Papa.
Make a garment blanket by interlocking loops of wool or other yarn with knitting needles or in a machine. Okay, I will do that. Where did you learn to knit? We have a weekly arts and crafts class in my school. Our teacher teaches us knitting, hand embroidering and needlework. I just love her class. You know about embroidering?
जैसे मिट्टी का कुछ बनाने में से.
Embroidering. Decorate by sewing patterns on it with thread. Okay? Different types of patterns बनाने से. Needlework means सुई से काम.
This is an embroidery.
Okay, understood?
Yeah, understood.
A comfortable silence fell between the two girls as Medha continued to knit and Nooni watched in fascination.
Fascination मतलब?
आश्चर्य.
हाँ.
Attract. The power to fascinate someone, the quality of being fascinating, the state of being fascinated. मतलब आश्चर्य से देखती रही है. देखो मुंह ऐसे मुंह को कैसे करके देख रही है और ये knit कर रही है कि नहीं? Shall we go next? After a few minutes, Meda asked, "Your name is Anushka, right? Then why does everyone call you Nooni?" When I was a small baby, I couldn't say Anushka clearly. Whenever someone asked me what my name was, I would say Nooni. So my family and friends accepted my pronunciation and began calling me Nooni too. Somehow the name stuck. But now that I'm grown up, people will look at me weirdly if I tell them that I can't pronounce Anushka. I can't pronounce Anushka. Okay? Just see the difference of in the pronunciation. Here we are telling pronunciation. Okay? And this word also similar to that, but we call it pronounce. Okay? So this pronunciation you should pay attention. Okay? You understood everything? Weirdly means
वेल मतलब ऐसे अजीब से.
हाँ जी से. Okay, shall we go next? I hope you understood. Yes or no?
Yes.
Meanwhile, Amit and Anand started playing makeshift cricket on the
What
other.
is makeshift?
मतलब कि जल्दी से बना देने वाला. एक तो बनाया है और थोड़ा सा बना दो इधर, जैसे टेंट हाउस वगैरह मतलब मेकशिफ्ट हाउस. ओके. और उसको तोड़ भी सकते हैं, फिर दूसरी जगह भी बना सकते हैं. ओके. Playing Amit and Meanwhile, Amit and Anand started playing makeshift cricket on the other end of the ground. Mahadeva shouted out from a distance, "Come, Nuni! Meda's cycle is perfect for you. You can sit on the seat and your legs will touch the ground comfortably." The most important thing about learning to cycle is getting the balance right, said Mahadeva. The size of the cycle doesn't matter much. Now hold the handlebar and start pedaling. I will hold the carrier from the back so that I can keep the cycle in place and you won't crash to the ground. Don't be scared, Nuni. You will be fine. This is an open space and you won't hit anyone. क्रैश का मतलब पता है ना? हाँ, टूटना ऐसे है, जो गिरना ऐसे. As Nuni started pedaling, she felt her heart sink.
Heart sink मतलब?
उदास होना, डरना. हैं?
हाँ. The
cycle was wobbling. ऐसे.
हाँ.
She could hear Mahadeva's instructions behind her. Continue pedaling. Go forward. You are holding the brake, Nuni. Don't do that. You should never brake when you are going fast or you will topple over.
टॉपल मतलब?
गिर जाओगे. साइकिल आपके ऊपर आ जाएगी. हाँ? Okay or not okay? Topple over. When you want to stop, gently brake and the cycle will slow down just enough for you to put your feet on the ground, which will bring it to a halt.
Halt मतलब?
रुकना. Halt. Okay. Nuni cycled almost 100 meters with Mahadeva holding the carrier and running behind her. She was happy that she could pedal and move. Mahadeva encouraged her.
मतलब तारीफ करना.
Not तारीफ करना, प्रोत्साहन देना.
प्रोत्साहन और तारीफ भी
Yes,
करते हैं.
नहीं तारीफ में क्या अच्छा किया आपने. Encouragement, yes, do that, please. Yeah, you can do that. That's all. Keep going. This is a large ground. Take the cycle wherever you want. I will hold you. यहाँ तारीफ नहीं हो रही ना, encouragement हो रहा है. Okay? Okay, not okay? Nuni started pedaling faster. After an hour, she was comfortable and started balancing on her own. Even though she was a little shaky. Okay? Even though she was a little shaky. Come on, let's go another 100 meters, said Mahadeva breathlessly. Okay? Suddenly, she heard laughter behind her. When she turned back to see what was happening, she saw Mahadeva grinning at her from a distance. He was not holding the cycle anymore. For a few seconds, she was happy that she was able to ride independently. But then her cycle started wobbling and she crashed with a thud. Thud means जोर से आवाज आती है. Okay? Shall we go next? Mahadeva came running to her and said, "Never turn back, Nuni. Look ahead and ride." For 2 more hours, Nuni continued to practice. Sometimes Mahadeva held the cycle and other times he would get Nuni started and then leave her to ride alone. Here you see one word is there, practice. You know wedding? Practice?
Practice करना जैसे practice to write handwriting.
Here you see S is there. Just pay attention, S. This practice is a practice. Okay? It's a practice. It's a verb. When we say noun, I have done enough practice. That is C will be there. Practice. That is a practice. Okay. This is a practice. Okay. So verb and that is noun.
Okay, so what is the meaning of practice?
Practice same,
Okay.
but to use it different way in verb or noun.
Okay.
कोई चीज़ बार बार करना उसको प्रैक्टिस करना है सो कि उस टाइम पे यूज करते हैं ओके
Some. Okay. next.
sometimes Mahadeva held the cycle and other times he would get Noni started and then leave her to ride alone. By late evening, Noni could cycle a short distance without his help and without turning back. A little while later, the children said their goodbyes. The children said their goodbyes and went back to their homes. Okay. The next morning, Amit and Anand did not come to the playground. They did not want to play cricket anymore and thought that it would be boring to watch Nuni cycle again. So they decided to go kite flying. Meda also did not turn up. It was just Nuni and her teacher Mahadeva. Nuni practiced relentlessly, obsessed with the task at hand. Relentlessly. मतलब कि बिना थके करते रहना कंटिन्यूसली करते रहना ओके एंड obsessed मीन्स बस हाँ ये काम करना ही करना है मुझे और कोई दूसरा नहीं, मुझे ये फिनिश करना ही है लत लग जाना उसकी ओके अंडरस्टूड आई थिंक by the end of the afternoon she was confident and could manage to cycle on her own okay. Mahadeva advised her, listen to my tips, Noni. First, if you are going fast, when you make a turn, then you will lose your balance. So when you want to turn left or right, slow down and then make the turn. Second, you should learn to balance while climbing uphill or coming downhill. Third, it is harder to cycle slowly than to go fast. It is best to try and keep a medium pace. If there are any potholes, go around them. Now you are ready to do this on your own. Go ahead and cycle. I will be back in 2 minutes. I'll be back in 2 minutes, okay? Nuni began cycling on her own. She felt free. From the corner of her eye, she saw Mahadeva carrying a box. She turned the cycle towards him, but she was too quick. She fell down and hurt her right knee. Blood started oozing out of the wound.
Using मतलब निकलना.
जहाँ निकलना बाहर निकलना.
हाँ बाहर निकलना.
Okay? बाहर निकलता ना अरिका oozing out मतलब बाहर निकलना ऐसे ज़्यादा बाहर निकलना. Okay? Got it? गिर जाते हो तो खून आता है ना बाहर लग जाती है तो खून आता है ना बाहर oozing out. Though it was really smarting, Nuni said bravely, "Oh, it barely hurts."
Smarting मतलब?
Smartly में बहुत चालाकी से अच्छे से दिमाग को smarting. It was really smarting. Though it was really smarting. Clean, tidy and well dressed. You look very smart. Okay? बहुत अच्छे से attractive, neat. Okay? Though it was really smarting, Nuni said bravely, "Oh, it barely hurts. Don't worry." As Mahadeva came closer, she saw the box in his hand. It was the first aid box. He smiled and without saying a word, made her sit on the steps nearby, washed the wound, wiped it clean with an antiseptic and bandaged it. He then grinned and said, you know meaning grin? I knew you would do something like this, little Nuni. That's why I went to bring the first aid box. It is not hard to learn how to cycle. The trick to becoming a good rider is to fall less and control the bicycle well. That is very important. Today I think that you have learned around 80% of the task. Tomorrow I will sit on the steps and you will take 10 rounds of the ground at a stretch and without falling. Then I will get my cycle and come from the opposite direction to give you some practice on how to handle traffic. Just see some practice. Is there C is there? So here it is noun is used, right?
Yeah.
Some practice. Not to practice. Some practice. Okay? Then I will get my cycle and come from the opposite direction to give you some practice on how to handle traffic. The day after that, I will put 2 kilograms of dead weight on the carrier and check if you can still balance the cycle. When Nuni showed her grandparents the scrape on her knee that evening, they did not get scared or tell her to stop learning. Instead, they encouraged her. Falling down is a part of learning. You will be okay, Nuni. By the end of 2 more days, Nuni had completed Mahadeva's cycling curriculum. Okay?
करिकुलम मतलब
Curriculum. मतलब रूटीन वर्क होता है ना कि भाई हाँ साइकिल चलाना ये इतनी देर चलाना उसका उसको बोलते हैं करिकुलम.
हाँ. ओके.
Okay. She fell down once more, but she wasn't hurt much, and just a band-aid was enough. Nuni, I have taught you the basics, and you can do this on your own. You must continue to practice and practice. You must continue to practice, and maybe then you can even try cycling with one hand or with none at all. Practice. Now see here, S is there, right?
Excellent.
Excellence is not gained by accident, it is by habit, said Mahadeva. Nuni felt proud of her achievement. Now she could cycle all over Somanahali and its bad roads without falling down. She started wondering about the things she could do in Bangalore with cycle. Would her parents allow her to cycle to school? She didn't think so. One evening, Nuni went to visit Medha at her house. Amit and Anand were also expected there. Medha was busy crocheting a tablecloth. Crocheting means कुछ चीज़ बनाना ऐसे नीडल से होता है ना, कुछ चीज़ क्या टेबल क्लॉथ से बनाना ऐसे 2 नीडल्स होंगे और उसे ऐसे बनाता ना, उसके बोलते हैं लूप से होता है ना, crochet and then crocheting a tablecloth. Crocheting. She had a scrapbook near her where different kinds of clothes were displayed with various types of stitching. It seemed like an interesting book. Medha's grandmother was very happy to meet Noni. She asked, "What time do you go to school in the city? How does your mother manage to work and do her chores at home?" Chores, you know, na? Huh?
Yes, I know.
My school is at 8:30 a.m. but I get up 2 hours earlier because I have to leave home by 7:15. I have a quick breakfast with mom and dad. Otherwise, I won't get to see them until the night. Sometimes dad comes very late from the hospital and by then I am already asleep. We have a half-hour lunch break at school. My school closes at 4 but I reach home after 1.5 hours because of the crazy traffic in Bangalore. Medha piped in. My school is also at 8:30. Piped in means उसने भी बोला बीच में. वो जो बोल रही थी कौन? नूनी. तो मेधा भी बोली बीच में. तो piped in जल्दी से बोला. ओके. मेधा piped in means बीच में बोला ऐसे. मेधा piped in. My school is also at 8:30. जैसे वो चीज़ बोल रही थी कि मेरी स्कूल इतने बजे है, तो फिर मेधा भी बोली पाइप में ऐसे उससे रिलेटेड हो गया. piped in जल्दी से बोले, ऐसे बोलना उसके पीछे पीछे. My school is also at 8:30, but I leave home only 15 minutes earlier because it's so close to my house. I don't even take the bicycle with me. We have an hour's lunch break, so I come home and eat with Aji and Amma. Then I go back to school and return home by 5 p.m. I help Amma with some of her chores for an hour and then I do my homework. While they were talking, Amit and Anand entered, and Meda's grandmother started serving them delicious snacks. Delicious snacks. Okay. There were gulab jamuns, murku, samosas, jalebis, biscuits, and an unending supply of potato chips. What about your projects, Medha? Nuni asked, recalling the stressful projects in her school. Our project our project work is usually done in school. If I have a problem, I ask Shankar Master directly, but our projects are not tough. In Kendriya Vidyalaya, the teachers make all of us sit down and do the project work after class. We have a nice lab as well. But at school, we are like members of one family. Unlike other schools, we don't hide things or compete with each other. We share. That is the culture of the army, said Amit. I don't have a problem with project work. Dad and I always discuss everything and he always has good ideas, said Anand. Nuni said, project work in my school is hell. There is so much competition. Who does the most difficult project? How many pages there are in the project report? And most of the time, parents do the work and credit their children. But mom never does that. She says, I will give you inputs, but you do the research and do it yourself. Maybe that's the reason I never get good marks for my projects like my classmates. I have heard my parents say that the PTA meeting also sometimes turns out to be a competition among parents. Nuni remembered her father telling her it is an extremely competitive world out there. If there are 20 vacancies for a job, then be sure that at least 2000 people would have applied for it. Unless you are at the top, you will not get good jobs. Okay, Visha. But how is it possible for everyone to be at the top? Nuni thought sadly. At that moment, Meda's grandmother put a jalebi on her plate, and Nuni immediately, or we can say immediately, forgot about her thoughts.
No wedding in the village.
That's all in this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and with your relatives so that they also can take benefit of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.
And
You want to say something, Avisha?
yes.
Tell. Say.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel and like with and don't forget to
You come
share-
closer, then only you will see.
and don't forget to share our channel so that other people can also take benefit of this video.
Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video then.
Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video then.
Harika, you want to say something?
Hi guys, Alsi girl.
Okay.
Harika is a Alsi girl if I tell you the truth.
Say.
हमेशा आजकल लेकिन वीडियो को देखना है मत बड़े बेकार से उसमें सुनना है उसमें उसमें अगर आज करते तो पापा पता क्या करते बोलते